Welcome to ACF, the online platform for GATE Agriculture Engineering. And this is all about me. This is the last topic of farm machinery. I have, in my previous lectures, I have covered all the topics of farm machinery from where the GATE questions has been asked. And this is the last topic, I think. So friends, you can see that hitching. Hitching is nothing but it is the connection. If we say that it is a type of connection, hitch will connect the implement to the tractor. In simple language you understand. आपको सिंपल से लैंग्वेज में समझ लो कि हिच जो होता है वो हमारे ट्रैक्टर से ट्रैक्टर से इम्प्लीमेंट को कनेक्ट करता है. दैट्स इट फ्रेंड्स. there is principle of hitching is there. So means in that we will analyze the different types of forces which will affect the performance of tractor and implements also, and 3-point linkages, drawbar hitch. Means these are some different types of hitches. I think all of you will study for your semester examination. And friends, the draft requirement for hitching we will calculate by a instrument called dynamometer. It is important. Dynamometer, sorry, I am unable to pronounce it. Dynamometer is very important instrument, so you should remember that the for draft measurement it is used. Now friends, you can see here, friends, this is simple the 3-point hitch category by ASAE standard. Friends, I am telling you this theory because many times, I think 5 or 6 times they have in GATE examination they have asked the 1 mark question upon this. Means this category. Suppose that 20 to 40, suppose that they will give 30 HP drawbar power. In which category it will come? Means it will come in category 1. It will give that 50 HP drawbar power. In which category it will come? Category 2. Like that they have asked the previous year question upon this. So you will little bit once see this. If you see this, then it will kept in your mind. So that in the final examination, if in the GATE examination they will give the 4 options and they will give you the range, then you can easily able to correlate. Otherwise friends, I will tell you the how I have remembered. I have remembered this with help of my batchmates ID numbers. In my batchmates, the ID numbers I have set it on my batchmate ID numbers, but here 180 and 400 is little bit difficult to remember because in no any class there are 400 students. So you can correlate with the 18 or 40, like that. Means you can set it upon the ID numbers, then it will be more easy to remember. Now friends, you can see the force analysis on the hitch. What are the forces acting? Here you can see that the top link is connected and the lower arms are connected and the pivot point, and the distance is R and the weight is W, and the reaction force is FR and the arm force is FA. So these are the forces acting on the. Now friends, you can see that FR is equal to W because you see that weight W is acting downward, FR is reaction force is acting upward. So they will balance each other. Now friends, balance the moment about the point O. Friends, you can see that point O, the forces acting FA and W. W into R. R is the distance between W and point O, and FA is the force at arm, and the distance between FA point of action of FA and point O is A, small a. So you will balance the moment and you will get your answers. Now friends, see the question, then it will be a little bit clear. Here in this question it is saying that the speed is 3.6 km per hour, a tensile force of 7.5 kN, bending force of 1.5 kN acting on each of the lower links, having compressive force of 2.5 kN acting on the top link, and the angle, both the top links as well as the bottom links are inclined at the angle of 20 degree and 30 degree. 20 degree and 10 degree with the horizontal, and it is inclination 3-point linkage is 0, and drawbar power it is asking. Friends, whenever you are seeing such type of question, many forces are acting, you are little bit get confused. Everyone can get confused. That is nothing big. So the best way to solve these questions, you write each and every force. Whatever the force is acting on the implement and everywhere, you can write each and every force. Then after it is very clear. You can see that 7.5 kilonewton force is tensile force is acting. So friends, tensile force is acting means it will tensile force, I think all of you know that tensile force act upon the implement means it will try to press the implement. And friends, 2.5 kilonewton force is acting upon the compressive force is acting 2.5 kilonewton, and the bending force is acting 1.5 kilonewton. Bending force is nothing but it will bend the implement, and the compressive force is just opposite of tensile force. So the direction is opposite. 2.5 kilonewton direction is upside, 7.5 kilonewton direction is downside. And friends, they are acting at 20 degree and 10 degree. So you can see here in the diagram, I have written everything that 20 degree and 10 degree. Now friends, the best way to calculate is you take the components of both the forces. Take the horizontal component and vertical component. Friends, draft, I have told you many times that draft is nothing but the horizontal component of pull force. So you should take the horizontal component only, then our work is over. If in the question they will ask anything about the vertical force, then only you have to take the vertical component. Otherwise you have to calculate the power only. So power is equal to draft into velocity, and velocity is given 3.6 kilometer per hour. So you need only the draft. So friends, you can see here that 2 into 7.5 into 1 plus 1.5. Friends, why it is saying that 1.5 is plus? Because friends, the bending force is adding to the, means bending force is acting in the direction of our tensile force. means हमारा जो bending force है वो tensile force के direction में. You can simply use the left hand thumb rule. I think all of you have studied in your intermediate that for calculating the force we are using Fleming's left hand rule. We have studied in our electrostatics chapter of class 12th. So from Fleming's left hand rule you can understand that the direction of bending force is in the direction of tensile force. So 7.5 plus 1.5, that's why if its direction, here you can see that the direction is clockwise. It is clockwise. If the direction is anti-clockwise, then 7.5 minus 1.5. But here the direction is clockwise. That's why 7.5 plus 1.5. And friends, we have multiplied it with 2. Because here you can see in the question that there are two lower links. Friends, you clearly understand that in hitching, one upper link, one top link and two lower links are present. So this is, we are calculating for lower links. So 7.5 plus 1.5 into 2, and the angle is 10 degrees, so cos 10. And friends, minus 2.5 cos 20, because 2.5 is our compressive force. Its direction is opposite to the direction of tensile force. So 15.377. Now power is very easy. Draft into velocity, you can get the power. Convert the friends, velocity is given in kilometer per hour, so you convert it into meter per second by multiplying by 5 by 18. You can get the answer. 15.38 kilowatt is our answer. Friends, these all questions and concepts I have deal with the farm machinery section is very important, and all are asked in the previous year gate questions, and these all you have to be mastered in these topics. Then only you are able to crack the gate examination within top 10 or top 5 ranks, because these days so much competition is rising, so you should be very clear with your concepts. And friends, my motto of making video on farm machinery is to remove the fear of farm machinery, because most of the students I have seen that they are feeling panic and feeling uncomfortable with the farm machinery section. So friends, you should subscribe our channel, and this is all about the farm machinery. Means this is the last video, I think almost the last video of farm machinery, in which all the concepts up to now, whatever the videos I have uploaded of farm machinery, I have covered all the concepts, all the theories, whatever asked in the GATE examination. So friends, subscribe our channel and share our channel to all the GATE aspirants. So thank you. That's